Hey YouTubers, today I am making a quick video on the deal that I got from Palmetto State Armory. It's the Knoxx Blackhawk Ar15 stock. It's on clearance for $8. See? $8 plus $8 shipping, so $16. I decided to purchase two. Shipping is the same, so it goes down to $12 each. Okay. So I decided to give it a try. It looks better than the regular stock Ar15. Has some checkering at the back. I think this is for additional accessories like cheek riser, and it comes with a sling mount, and you can screw this left or right. Okay, and then you have another, it doesn't swivel, but you have a stud for another sling option. What is noticeably different from the stock Ar15 stock is that this thing is flushed and has the same checkering. This is okay, the regular Ar15 stock. I think the checkering is the same, but like I said, this is flush, so see the difference. Okay, and I have a rubber butt pad. Let's see if it will fit. Okay, so this is a regular rubber butt pad. Okay, it is usable, but since you have a stud over here, sling stud, you might want to Dremel it out to make it flushed. Let's try putting it in. The best way to put stocks like this on your AR is to tighten this screw or bolt all the way down. Until you cannot screw it no more. Let's see. I'm currently building a dedicated 22 AR-15 style rifle. Okay, still hitting the back. Okay, some more. Okay, now you can loosen it a bit. Just right. First, okay, it's not locking. Okay, let's test it. First, okay. First, second, and third. Okay. Thanks for watching.